Hello, my beautiful friends, my beautiful family. It is that time of the week. We're here to do another hair video, you guys. I have been getting a ton of questions on my hair care, my hair regimen, you name it. And so if you guys have any questions, please either just drop it in the comment section down below, or please just see any of my previous videos. I do have a ton of videos that I share, my little tricks and tips. So you guys are welcome to check out any of those previous videos. And if you have any questions, by all means, drop it in the comment section. Again, you guys, I just want to say thank you so much for being on here. You guys know how much I love and appreciate you all so very much. So if you guys wouldn't mind giving this video a big old thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, I would truly appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. Alright, you guys, how did we create these beautiful curls? You guys are going to watch the video in just a little bit, but I used the Lange Le Cinq. I should show you guys the casing of this because it's absolutely phenomenal. So it's a leather beautiful casing. It's got the Lange logo on it with just a really nice gold print on it. So again, this Le Cinq comes with 5 different wands. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So it kind of looks like so. And this bottom little piece actually just twists right off. So you just give it a big old twist and then you're going to pop this guy off. It is a little warm, so I'm not going to do that right now. I don't want to burn my hands, but I did use the tapered wand, you guys. So again, if you can look at this, it goes basically, it starts off really, really tiny, and then it goes to about a 19mm wand at the end of that, and that's how I created really nice tight curls from the top, and then really beautiful loose curls at the bottom. And I always leave about, I want to say about an inch of hair at the bottom, just so I get that nice, beautiful wispiness. But you guys can see, like, I got some really, really good volume and some really good curls. So you guys are going to see how I created this look in the next little bit. But I did want to just chat really quickly about this. So it does come, like I mentioned, with 5 different heads. I used the tapered wand. It does come like so. So you're going to have 3 wands right in this guy. You're going to get 2 in here, and then the little bottom piece for the attachment does go in here as well too. And it does also come with a glove as well too. So I hope you guys love this video because I truly love the way the curls turned out. And if you guys have any questions, please just drop them in the comment section. Again, you guys, thank you so much for spending time with me, and enjoy.